Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a Facebook Business Manager account. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get into Meta's business tools so you can organize pages, add accounts, and permissions in one secure place. This process is quick, and I'll give you helpful context as we go so everything makes sense. Start by opening the Meta Business Suite app on your device. This is the official app from Meta designed for managing your business presence across Facebook and Instagram. Make sure you're connected to a reliable internet network and that the app is up to date. If you're on a shared device, it's a good idea to close any unrelated sessions before you begin, just to keep things tidy and secure. On the welcome screen, tap Log In with Facebook. You'll sign in using your personal Facebook profile, and that's expected. Meta uses your personal profile to verify your identity while keeping business assets separate from your personal timeline. If you see a prompt to continue, review the details and confirm. You may notice other sign-in options, but using Facebook is the most straightforward path for this setup. Next, you'll see a choice to create a new account or log in with an existing one. If you already have a business manager or business account connected to your profile, choose the existing option and proceed. If you're setting this up for the first time, select Create New Account. Only create a new one if you truly need a separate business workspace. Keeping everything under one business account can make management simpler down the line. If you're creating a new account, follow the on-screen prompts. You'll typically be asked for your business name, your name, and a work email you actively use. Enter the official business name you want clients and teammates to recognize. Use an email you can access easily for confirmations and important notices. During this flow, Meta may ask you to review terms or complete a quick security check. That's normal, and it helps protect your account. When you finish, you'll land in the Business Suite home. From here, you're ready to continue organizing your business tools. If you're on a shared computer or device, remember to sign out when you're done, and consider enabling additional security on your Facebook account to keep access protected. That's it. You've opened the app, signed in with Facebook, chosen whether to use an existing business account or create a new one, and completed the on-screen setup. You're all set to move forward with your business management in Meta.